Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriel Chris. Today I'm gonna unbox my new toy. But before that, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you will not miss my next video. So let's go on and unbox it. Yay! My new toy. This is a Tarantula remote control. Just like a spiral, right? So let's open it. Okay. Let's go. Wow. And getaway box. So, look, let's open it. Look. I think I need a hand. I need a hand for the remote control. Got it. So I have. Okay. So where's the battery? We need 6 batteries for it. Because like 3 times like 3 trees. I also need this. Okay. Now I wanna use the battery on the spider first, okay? Let's go. There we go. So now let's put 3 batteries on it. First one, I'm just here. Okay. Now the second one. Ooh. 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 There we go. Now the third one. Done. Now let's close it again. Done. Now let's see. There's a button in the bar. Let's see. Now for a remote control. Backwards. So hard. I have an idea. And now with the screwdriver again. Ta-da! Now let's put the 3 batteries again. There's another energized one. 3. Lol. Let's close it again. The screwdriver again. So hard. Okay. Now guys, let's play. Okay. Let's try it first. Wait, turn off the light first. I forgot. Ready. I like monster. Oh. Wait. Oh guys. It's so scary. Hit me if you can. Ah! Nah. To the left, to the right, to the left, then to the left, to the left, to the right, then. Stop biting my head. Stop biting my face, yours. Stop biting me. So guys, that's all for my video. If you want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.